cannot say enough good things about this mirror. It really took the decor in my bedroom up a notch and made it feel a lot more grand and beautiful in there. This mirror comes in all different sizes, but I have it in the 71 by 28 inch dimensions, and it works really wonderfully as a full-length floor mirror. It does have little holes in the back, and it came with hardware, so you can definitely hang it up on your wall or attach it to your wall, but I chose to just lean it, and it works really wonderfully. It was a huge upgrade from this much smaller full-length mirror that we were using. With this bigger one, I can now see my entire body from head to toe and see my entire outfit and look all at once. And it's a really great quality mirror because there's absolutely no warping. In the one before, the mirror was much thinner, and it always made me look just a little bit off. It was not right, but that's not the case with this mirror because it is excellent quality. I really love the gold frame, and that is made of aluminum and is very minimal and contemporary. This mirror has been such a great addition to my bedroom, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it, and I know that you're really gonna love it too.